Welcome to 2307 Felton Lane, Unit A. Before you even step inside, you'll notice that the home has been recently painted and freshly landscaped with white picket fence. Hi, I'm Jerry from RE/MAX. I'm sitting in the living room of this stunning new townhome I have listed for sale. Let me take you on a tour. The spacious master is a special retreat with shiplap accent wall and wood flooring. The master has its own private patio. The large master bath features dual sinks, spa tub, and glass enclosed shower. As you make your way upstairs and the incredible living area is revealed, you will instantly fall in love with this home. The cathedral vaulted two-story ceilings, dark wood floors, and endless natural light make this space feel extremely grand. Look at this fabulous kitchen. It has been completely remodeled with quartz countertops and herringbone tile backsplash. Shaker cabinets feature soft closed drawers and polished chrome fixtures. You'll love cooking in this gourmet kitchen while chatting with family and friends at the breakfast bar. Even the kitchen is filled with light streaming down from the stunning high ceilings and eyebrow window. Just off the living room through the sliding doors is one of 3 decks conveniently located for outdoor dining. The hardwood floor continues down the hall to the bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Don't miss the gorgeous remodeled full bathroom with white subway tile, furniture-style sink cabinet, and marble herringbone tile accent row that wraps around the entire perimeter of the bathroom. The second bedroom is perfect for children or guests. Set up for an office, the 3rd bedroom features a Murphy bed, which stays with the home. And here's where this home separates from many others. There's the upstairs large loft with fireplace and built-in cabinets. It's perfect space for your second family room. There's even a high-efficiency air conditioner for your comfort. Sliding glass doors lead to a massive deck with plenty of space for your barbecue, outdoor living, and westerly views catching the upper rays of the sunset. With this home's really unique floor plan, beautiful loft living area, and 3 outdoor patios, it's so desirable it'll surely sell quickly. If you're interested in this home or any other homes I have listed for sale, please give me a call and I'm happy to help.